How to add WhatsApp link to your Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can share your WhatsApp link to your Facebook profile. So to do that, all you have to do is first of all go to your WhatsApp and then tap on these three dots right over here. After that, go to settings. Now once you're on the settings page, you'll have to tap on this QR code like icon right over here. Simply tap on it. And then since we are here to add our WhatsApp link, not the QR code, what you'll have to do is simply tap on this share icon right over here. After that, go to messages and then simply select a random person. Now tap on the option done. And then as you can see, you'll have this message right over here where you'll have to simply copy this link right over here. Now once you've done that, you can simply erase this message. Now since we already have our link, what you'll have to do now to add it to Facebook is simply go to Facebook. After that, go to your profile. Now tap on the option edit profile. Scroll all the way down until you see the option edit. Now where it says social link, add social link, simply tap on it. And where it says platform, you'll have to tap on the option WhatsApp. After that, where it says username, simply paste your link over here. Tap on the option done and then simply tap on the option save. So that is basically how you add your WhatsApp link to your Facebook profile. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.